Focaccia and cold brew?
Yeah, and granola bowl.
And just a name for the granola bowl. Just a name for the granola bowl.
Name, Cindy.
Mennesket mange til at have 30 på klasse, de har 30, det er 20, alle de 40. Og mig selv.
I was looking for you and I was 15 minutes with the fucking public transport. It's so long. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay, it's fine.
I don't... I think I'm taking a banana bread. And just water.
Just water.
Yes. So sweet. Okay, I take the same.
The same one?
Yes.
And water? Or
Yes. So beautiful, the colors. Are you still doing like vlogs and stuff?
Yeah, I'm doing YouTube.
Eat like this, this, and this. But this, and this I eat. So I need my chewing gums.
I was here. Maybe the spring should come.
Yes. With spring comes my birthday.
Yeah,
So-
it's March. The end of March.
Yeah. There.
Oh. it's like a Korean letters, like here.
Oh, which one? Wow.
Yeah, it's a
And what
T.
does it say?
Oh, it's like an ABCD, but all in Korean letters. Yeah.
Which letter is this?
P.
P.
Ah,
For me.
Yeah, Paula.
really, really nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And you bought it from your...
Yeah, from Korea.
Have here silver. Like here I have gold, but you don't wear gold, so it doesn't matter.
Wow, it's a whole cake. What?
Da fehlt noch ein N, aber
Thank
danke,
you so
Mama.
much.
Thank you.
Ich will nicht mitkommen, ne? So lecker.
Julie.
Ja.
Julie. Julie. Aww.
I think it also tastes good. Okay. Oh, do you need ketchup or like mustard? I need it.
You need it? Is it good with it?
Like for the Schnitzel. Schnitzel. This is like for everybody so exhausting because she wakes us up and then she needs to go outside, you know. It's really hard to stand up then. So we're always happy when she's chilling.
Maybe a cappuccino was fine.
Iedereen is heel aandachtelijk bezig.
Don't generally allow simple words anymore, so this one fell out of favor.
Or the small one, but not like. Ah, yes, there is one. Left.
Oh.
It's this one. Yeah, perfect.
To open it up, here's the key. Put it in here. You slide it. It opens up.